Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Craig's equipment from North Carolina, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now this unit does not work, and we want to go ahead and troubleshoot Mickey. Now we also want to mention that this type of circuitry that is associated with these type of lamps are pretty delicate, and they are prone to any kind of failures when you have power surges. And you also want to always turn off the main power of Mickey when you unplug or plug into an electrical outlet. You also want to check your outlets that they're tight and that they're not loose or have a bad connection. That can cause issues. We want to go ahead and troubleshoot the main PC boards for Mickey. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in troubleshooting and the repairing process. We'll go ahead and take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We'll go ahead and turn the unit on.
What a bright idea!
Now we're going to give that a second. We don't want to turn these type of lamps on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and shut the unit off.
So long, pal.
And Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
See you real soon.
We'll turn the unit back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Hey, who turned off the... Oh, I did.
And we'll go ahead and turn the unit back on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Craig, and they can enjoy Mickey once again. I'm sure he's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.